Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be doing a Finesse unboxing. Now, Finesse is a clothing line, clothing brand, clothing company, an online boutique that stumbled across my Instagram feed, right? According to their website, they are an AI fashion house, or completely run by artificial intelligence, something like that. But anyways, there's this quote on the website. Each couple months, each month or whatever, they have different collections that come out. And this was from their fairy tale collection. And this is the Willa coat. When I saw it, I had to have it. The only problem, it was pre-order. I pre-ordered it, I want to say in January, and it came to me just last week here in March. It did ship out in March. Got it in March. All right. When I got this, I even forgot it was coming. It actually got delivered to my neighbor, and as she was opening it, she realized it was my name and address on there. She came and gave it to me. So I ripped it open and I'm like, what is this? And I was like, oh my gosh, it's my coat. So this is the bag that it came in, all black. On this side has my address, but down here it says, hey, I'm 100% compostable. Yeah, I'm 100% compostable mailer. All right, so we can recycle this. Yes. Anyways, so we open it and this is what is in there. My big pink coat. I think there was a paper in here, which I can't find now. I think there was like a packing list thing. Lost it. Anyways, so Willa comes in this. Willa is supposed to be vegan leather. But it has the Finesse logo on top there. It has, what does it say? Don't worry about me, baby, I'm recyclable. Okay, that's cool. She's in the Ziploc bag. We're gonna open her. This is my first time actually touching her. Okay. So after I got this, or after I got the shipping confirmation, I saw on Instagram, again, that they have this now in black. So in my heart of hearts, I want the black. I don't know. I got this in a size large because I'm not sure how it would have fit. And if it's a coat, I don't mind if it's too big. You feel me? I'd prefer it be too big than too small. There's a lot of paper here. Buttoned. Let me see. Okay, sis. It has a mark on it. Look. You see? It has a mark like right here. Look where my fingernail is. Right there. Like a blue, like a pen mark or something. Okay. So this is her. Oh, the fur lining is detachable, baby. Ew. Okay. So like I said, I got this in a large. The tag has their name, Finesse, an evolving landscape that illuminates change across style, society, and sustainability. Made in China. All right, so this is what their tag looks like, right? With the Finesse logo. The sleeves, long sleeve with the fur cuff. It comes with a belt. Oh, there's still another button that's buttoned. These buttons look like they will pop off though. Whoa. All right, what else am I seeing here? I see the loop. There's the belt. Okay, so let's put her on. Ooh. Okay, little Kim. Okay, little Kim. All right, I need a better angle so I can show you guys the full thing, because oh honey, she is cute, sis. All right, where's my phone? So this is Willa. Okay, it's given very much 90s, very much Lil Kim, very much Missy Elliott, very much, you know, the Brat, you feel me? Very late 90s, early 2000s. You wear this with nothing underneath, show up to your man's house. You show up, be like, this is what you wear I can't find the other belt loop. As someone knows me, I get bun enough. Come I can't loop a belt. True. We if you're ever gonna approach a woman, if you want to go a woman to meet, you know, yeah. Hello Barbara, this is Shirley type of vibes. You feel me? I love it. I love it. Would I have gone down a size? Maybe. Maybe not. The large is not bad at all. I think it's pretty true to size. You know, your girl has been working out, so going down a little bit in clothing sizes. But she is cute. She's giving rich auntie. She's giving hot girl winter. She's giving, oh, let's go skiing on the Alps. She's giving, yes, she's giving Cher. She's giving Dion. She's giving everything. She's clueless vibes. Just pretty, girly girl. Princess baby. Princess baby. Let me see. We belt it. We belt it up. What does it look like? We belt it up. Still cute. It's still giving very much rich auntie energy. Very much I'm from the Bronx, New York. What's happening? I like it. I like it a lot. It did, like I said, it was pre-order. I'm not sure if the black one is pre-order, but this is the pink from their Fairy Tale collection. She's cute. She's cute. She's cute. She's cute. Let me give you some pricings and some specs on her. Let me see if my phone will unlock. Let's go to mail. All right, so I got the Willa fur trim leather coat, like I said. It shipped out March 16th, it's looking like. And I got it last week. Last week was April 4th, so that's when I got it. So 1, 2, 3, call it like 4 weeks of shipping. Wow. So the website is finesse.us. Right now the picnic collection is out, super cute. Seduction collection, okay, so they have Willa in red, they have Willa in green, they have Willa in black. So gorgeous. That's a Black Widow collection. And then you can vote on the outfits that comes out next. That's the Mars collection, jungle. All right, so the green one is $64. That's the Poison Ivy collection. In the seduction, yeah, same 64. But this is from their Fairy Tale collection. Collar is detachable. Love that for me because I had all that fur in my bowl just now. And then it's detachable by buttons. So our button's going to be on the jacket. Let me see. Baby. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna wear it without the fur collar because, yeah. Because then it's just gonna be buttons all along down the side of the jacket. And does that even make sense? Is that even cute? Let me see. Yeah, no, I don't want buttons going down the side of the thing. No, we prefer the fur side, right? Let's take a vote, you guys. Comment down below which side you prefer, the fur or the non-fur. Fur, non-fur. We're gonna go with fur. So yeah. Yeah. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.